CPR pressure strategy, this is our next strategy, and here if you see Nifty or Bank Nifty coming in this scenario where the price action candles are inside CPR, wide CPR has to be wide, then this is our trade setup. And what option buyers have to do, they will not trade on that day. Please don't trade, option buyers. You will not make any money, your stop loss will get hit. Market will go up down again and again. There is no trend happening. Like I told you, option buyers can make money only when there is a trend. There is no trend happening. In such market condition, price action candles remains in the zone and the market is always sideways unless the price action candles come out. It is, yeah, don't trade on that day for option buyers. Option sellers, it is a good opportunity for you because the time decay effect will come here and the option price will go down. So what you can do is, if it is Thursday expiry, it is even better. So weekly expiry, what you will do, when you see in the morning such setups happening in Nifty or Bank Nifty or both, you will take a straddle technique. What is straddle strategy? Straddle strategy is basically when you short ATM positions of both sides, CE and PE. So you will short call and put at the same time in spot price, the ATM price, yeah, and keep your stop losses like I have told you behind the barrier. This is what you will do, and keep the trade on with your trailing stop loss. You have to trail in this. Thursday expiries works beautifully in this because time decay is happening very quickly. Any other day also you can take the straddle technique. So here is a chart explanation for Nifty 50 indices, CPR pressure strategy, 3 minutes time frame. Market gave a gap down and it got stuck. The price action candle got stuck in big CPR, and this is our trade setup. Nifty or Bank Nifty or both are, the price action candles are inside CPR. So this is our trade setup which has happened here. For option buyers, it's a no trading day. Please don't trade on this day. You can incur losses. For option sellers, Thursday is the best day. However, if any other day also, you can take this trade. Why I said Thursday? Because the time decay is happening very quickly on Thursday, and this is a beautiful setup for time decay to happen and market going nowhere. Somewhere around 9:20, you will take a straddle technique wherein you will short both ATM positions for call and put, and you will keep your stop losses, I told you, behind the barrier, whatever is the trade setup at that time. If you see a loss happening of 2500 per lot, exit from the trade. Yeah, you have to exit from that trade. We will exit also when we see the price action candles coming out of the CPR. Usually it can happen that Nifty price action candles are out of CPR, but Bank Nifty is not. So this is not our criteria. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty price action candles have to be out. If they are out, you also come out of that trade unless you just trail your stop loss.